Hey guys, this is Z and I'm back with another video, and today we are going to do a speed test between the Oppo Reno 5 and the iPhone 11 Pro. In this test, we will try to run some common applications and gaming applications to find out which phone is faster. So let's begin. There you have it guys. The result is not really surprising. Sa simula pa lang alam na natin kung sino yung mananalo, but I must commend Reno 5 for putting a good fight. Sa pag-boot ng device, nauna si Oppo, and sa mga common at gaming apps naman, mas marami ang nag-open ng mabilis sa iPhone. Guys, this is not a paid video, pero gusto kong i-highlight dito yung screen ni Reno 5 na sobrang linaw at sobrang ganda. Talagang nag-level up ang visual at gaming experience sa 90Hz na refresh rate nito. I actually switched my gaming device sa Reno 5 dahil napaka-smooth nito sa ML at sa PUBG. Some of you might ask if Reno 5 always boot ahead of the iPhone. Yes, it's always Reno 5, and guys, I ran the speed test 3 to 4 times before the final recording. The one you've watched is the 5th time, and I can tell you that the results are the closest to the real output and they are not tampered. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe on my channel. Again, this is Z. Salamat and mabuhay. Bye-bye.